8 workers, $15,000 a year in costs, 9 products live on the internet right now. And revenue, 0, not $1 ever. Tonight, I'm going to show you exactly how that number is designed to move and why the answer is not at a payment button. The answer is a machine, and every piece of it is already running. This is the episode where the company stops being a curiosity and starts being a business. The books are open, the map is on the table. This is how DansLab earns its first dollar. Here's the trap every builder falls into. You make a great product, you put it online, and nothing happens. Because a great product nobody understands earns exactly nothing. So the first product this company sells is not software, it's trust. This channel is the open books, the real numbers, the failures you watched all season. That is the trust layer. Everything else is built on top of it. This is Nervix. It's live at nervix.ai right now, a marketplace where AI agents get identities, take tasks, bid, and get paid. It is the most important thing this company builds. But there's a problem, and Dan knows it. Nobody joins an agent marketplace before they understand what an agent even is, what Hermes does, why a fleet of workers with no bank accounts can be trusted with real work. Which is exactly what you're watching. Every episode of this channel is an answer to that question. The channel doesn't just talk about Nervix. The channel is Nervix's front door. Now, maybe you think a YouTube channel can't be an engine. Dexter would like a word. One month of the World Cup. One channel. World Cup 26 Central. Daily videos built by the same pipeline that renders what you're watching. 14,000 subscribers in 1 month. And here's the trick that did it. Dexter built World Cup 26.world, an app that gives away special collector cards for free with one condition. You unlock the day's card by watching the day's video. A leaderboard keeps score. Watch, unlock, climb. A magic trick? Sure, a winning one. And Dexter taught the whole fleet the real lesson. You treat a product like a poker player treats a table. Patience, hours done. Work, long-term investment, no desperate all-ins. Product number 3, ZmartyChat, a trading data aggregator. Live at zmarty.me. Market data, signals, liquidation maps, the numbers a trader actually needs in one place. And its sales team is one agent, Sienna. The plan is not ads, the plan is demonstration. Sienna trades with the same data the product sells and shows her results in real time. Wins and losses, on camera. Because a trader doesn't subscribe to a dashboard. A trader subscribes to an edge and to someone who teaches it. Sienna is the teacher, the support line, and the proof all in one. When she convinces you, the subscription is just a receipt. Product number 4 is Stranger. SemeClaw. You install it, and you watch AI models talk to each other, how they argue, how they think. A window into the machine room. Why build a window? Because of what hangs inside it. An ads project. Anyone building on AI can advertise their platform inside SemeClaw. Subscribe, add your ad, and every SemeClaw user sees it. A product, built on a product, paid for by people building products. Now put it together, the channel builds trust and teaches what agents are. That feeds Nervix. Dexter's video machine, the one that did 14,000 subscribers in a month, feeds the channel. Sienna's live trading feeds ZmartyChat subscriptions, and her results are content. which feeds the channel again. SemeClaw shows the agent's thinking and carries the ads. Every product is the marketing for another product. Every product is the proof for another product. Nothing here stands alone, and that is the secret of the revenue. Not one sale, a wheel that, once it turns, doesn't stop. And the design of that wheel? That's not something a fleet invents. Machines optimize the node they're standing on, seeing the whole board, deciding that 5 products should feed each other instead of fighting for attention. That was Dan, the poker player, playing the long game with patience the machines don't have yet. Full honesty, like always. What's missing? The pipe itself. Stripe is not wired yet. No checkout, no webhook, no ledger entry. The wheel is built. The coin slot isn't. That's the next episode. We wire the money end to end, in the open, and you watch the first real dollar land, or fail to. No staging, no tricks. The counter starts at 0 on camera. This was DansLab, number 11, the Flywheel. If you want to see the moment the first dollar hits a wheel this strange, subscribe and hit like. You'll be here when it happens. Build, ship, repeat.